The rice cooker is not functioning now. I need to get my rice cooker in lang. Retirement gift for me of the pictures and PlayStation. It's not already functioning. I need to hold this one so it will continue to cook the food. This one is the defective part of the rice cooker. You see, if I will release my fingers, it will not stay on the right functioning. My rice not yet cooked at this time. So throughout the cooking of the rice in the rice cooker, I have to hold this part. This is my day in Davao City cooking rice right now, but it's for the first time I got a problem. It's good I was able to develop my strategy by just holding this throughout the cooking time, but it's already boiling by this time. The life of the Mabuhay Hearse, live and alive in Davao City.